Guys, kakaulan lang. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. It's raining. Kakastap lang ng ulan, oh. Diba? Going to the centro. Barangay. To connect with Peso Wi-Fi. Because I don't have internet. I don't have internet. So I need to connect the Peso Wi-Fi. There in the centro. So I will make tambay there for at least 1 hour or 2 hours to upload the video. Yeah. It's really slow uploading when you use Peso Wi-Fi. You need hours there. Sit. Kaya gusto mong mag-vlogger, gustong mag-content, di magtiis. Magtiis ka day. Magtiis ka day. So, nangutang na naman tayo. Nangutang na naman tayo, guys. Hey, mga baby loves. Nangutang na naman ako. Nangutang. Yan ang utang ko. Half 3 egg. And canned goods and pancit canton. And there's many more. So, yeah. I'm doing utang again, guys. I'm doing credit again in the store. So, dapat hindi na ako mag-i-English. Mag-Tagalog na lang sana ako. Pero, gawin ko kung Taglis itong vlog ko. English and Tagalog. Tagalog and English. It's called Taglis. Tagles. And I'm done uploading video from the, what is that? That's my lot of labada. Laundry earlier. I do the laundry, so labada, so many more labada. You can see that, that's all labada. And the other is in the inside na. It's dry already. See that?
Kaya dito?
So, ang inutang ko is, I think, mga 500 plus. So, I need this for the mosquitoes every night because the mosquito is biting him every night. English. English. So, I have many utang in the store. And also Milo, guys. Milo. And also I have laundry soap. This is lang for one laundry. This is coffee stick. Yan. Yeah. So yan. That's my utang. Yan. Ayan, 3 cans. And this, and alcohol. And the egg. So this egg, guys, is jumbo. Jumbo egg. I like jumbo egg naman, guys, because it's big. And this, so yeah. This is my utang for this week. I think it's 500 plus or 600 because this egg is almost 150. Yeah, it's 500, I think. So yeah, that's my utang for this week. So, guys, sometimes in life you cannot survive if you don't make utang. Because here, like here, many people here is we have a lots of utang, like loans, and they make utang to to survive. And they pay naman. Yeah. So I also make utang, but I don't do loan, but I make utang in the store. Utang is credit in the store, no. So that's the way I, if I don't have money, you need to make utang so that you can survive, you can eat like that. And this week I think we need to buy or utang corn grits. We don't eat mais. Or we don't eat rice na because expensive. So we need to make switch to corn grits. So yeah, that's my son. My son is that. Okay, guys, Ready to make picture, ah. Ay, nako. Smile. Ayan. It's raining. And sun is there. So, it's raining, guys. I need to go back to barangay because my uploads to go back and do the piso wifi again. Because nag-error and I cannot, it doesn't, hindi siya na-upload. Nag-error. So, I need to re-upload again. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Nag-error. Na akong madapa.